like this one. Sige. So in your Midas Gen, same as with your beam, we also have a wizard, no, that helps you generate your model for the truss. So same sa my beam, kato kita sa structure, base structures, then we can see here a truss. Okay. Bukal ko kasi ito. Sa isang ulaan sa mga may video recorder na start. So using ang truss wizard din, ang dimensions we have 3.5 here, tapos 5, 3.5 tapos 12. Can we do that sa my truss? Sa truss, we have here ang input, no? Again, structure, then base structure sa son truss. Ang type sa input, amon siya, no? So, can we perform this on this type of configuration? Mabuntay siya. So what we'll do, kung mabuntay siya, we'll have it manually na lang. So, under node element na tab, kato kita sa create elements. Before anything, define na kita sa material and section properties. So properties, material properties, will use here a steel, add material, steel, let's say familiar ka ASTM, so let's say angle bars ang gamiton. We'll use A36 for the material, and then click OK. For the section, you can choose any section. We'll use an I section, smallest I section na pwede for this example. So under the database, we'll select AISC 10 for 2010 version SI. This one ang piliun ka is the smallest W. Let's say, so 100 mm lang iyang height for inches. And click OK. So okay ng members, no, material members, click ko lang close. Then cut to ako to sa my create node element, then create elements. Okay. Under material, no, we have A36 and then a section, isa lang na. And then instead of last time sa muna mag-ubra, bagay wala kang mataka ubra the last time. Ang last time ng ubra daw, we choose this one so that from the given node, we specify kung ano ang distance from that starting node. So at this case, kay guwa niya, we don't have a node to click on sa my workspace. So we'll use XYZ. XYZ lang. And then enter ang coordinates 0, 0, 0. Click enter. Na-create na node. Node lang ang binubra niya. So wala siyang na-create sa isang member. Pero at least may ara na siya ng node. So, we'll change this one to dx dy dz. Okay. And then, click ang inyong space. Ano na lang, sa ako nga case na nadula ako ng node. Kanto na lang ko sa create nodes. Create nodes, delete ko lang eh. Number of times once. Coordinates 0, 0, 0. Hindi ko pag-i-copy. And then, I'll just click apply. So, may ara na po nga starting node. No? That's all. Makakreate na ko sa member. So, ang node na ginumbra ko, let's say, diri siya. So, this is 0, 0, 0. Ang next ko, let's say, for example, this will become 12 or x negative 2.5 z 12. Kung mag-member ako, I'll select here. Click here. Then, ang x ko will be negative 3.5. Ang y ko 0. And then, ang z ko will be 12. Then, enter. So, i-repeat ko lang siya. No? Ang next, let's say this member. So, 5x positive tapos 12 na z. So, from here, 5x, 0y. X 0y 12z. Then click enter. And then ang huling member, this is positive 5, negative 12 from here. Positive 5, 0, negative 12. Then, positive 3.5, or pwede man nga from this point, 8.5 ang ilagan. From this point, 8.5. Para makonect ko lang. And then, okay? Any question?
Hindi mag-alat, sir.
Luwat-luwat?
Okay. Hindi na dito.
Erase na natin. Sige. So, buwan niyang trust ngayon ni nun, di magamitan sa wizard. Kung katong structure, base structure, then trust. Makita niyo din na magato ka mo, no? Ang template sa trust, ano ni siya? So, mabudlay siya i-apply kung ano ni ang situation ko. So, for that, I'll do it manually. Kadto ko sa node element. So, kung mag-create elements ako, in the case of creating elements, wala ko sang starting node, no? Nga i-click so that halin dira sa dira ka node, i-project ang next na node to create the element. So instead of doing first the create elements, cut ko sa create nodes. Then ang node na i-create ko is at 000 origin. Hindi ko lang pag-copy. Then click apply. May ma-create ka node. Ara siya. Okay. Actually, damo lang ang magamit or na technique on how to model the trust. How about we try to copy ang node? No? And then connect ka lang dito. So let's say here, still in create nodes, ang ining node is negative 3.5x, positive 12. Okay. Negative 3.5, 0y, positive 12. Once, copy number of times so once. Click apply. Hindi na ako na node. Kari na siya. So kung mag-create elements ako, create elements, click on name, tapos click on name. Select ang node na copy. Negative 3x, 0y, 12. And then, create elements, click ang luwa. Sorry, this is not for one. But, ano siya, initial. Down. Floating ako ng notes mo dito. I-reveal ko yung note number. niya, no? Ang model ng element can either be create ka na isang nodes or through creation ng nodes and then connect. Or pwede man kadto ka sa kung may ara ka na sinino na starting objects, we can now go to create elements and then start, no? Or rather create ang next parts alin sa una nga nito. So ang second member, let's say ini, this is positive 5, positive 12. So click ko ang node nga umpisahan, which is node 1. Tapos ang x ko, dx rather is 5, dy 0, z is 12. Then click enter direct. So pinipili ka naman kami. So starting from this node, manaog ako. Pero positive 5, 0y, negative 12. So ini, this will be just positive 8.5, 0, 0. And then finish the members. Okay? Tara na Cobra. Ano? Ano yung details? Okay na. Gamay. Sino ang wala makatapos? Baya ko mo. Wow. Okay na. Pareho tidak? Check mo yung pareho ka. Ano? Pwede. Hindi na. Ang Sa create element, amo na yung starting node, click mo. Tapos enter mo lang ang next na endpoint ang i-create mo na elements yan. Tapos yun yung hindi ka mag-pick up like.
Di, ano ba rin? Select ko na. Select. Darin delete dito na. Very number ako na bito lang. Pinuot na. Pwede tanay ko. Kurva, dia ada bago.
Din ka magkitigan na kung ko rayo. Din ka magkitigan lang.
Masih
plug in.
Sa pinak ko. Kasi hindi na naman
Ayun. Kasi gulo yun.
Saan ulit? Hindi full time. Si ano? Si Sir Jed. Hindi nila. Kasi mo ito.
Okay, para ang iba nga nakatapos sa makakontinue, check yung inyong local axis. So display, then element, local axis. Click OK. So ang X will always be parallel sa my member. The zone y-axis will be ang y-axis perpendicular siya or the y-axis will refer to the section such that kung mag-apply ka sa bending, the bending will be about the strong axis. Like for example, ini amuning y. So kung mag-bend ka for this still W na section, strong axis siya. While for Z, weak axis. And this should be consistent with all members. So paki-verify. Okay? So kung na-verify, ang next naman nga part will be your support, no? So in the example, ano kita? Pin support. Both this joint and then this joint. So cut to sa boundary, highlight ang nodes. click support, then click this one. For pin situation. Click apply. Okay. Now before proceeding sa loads, katuanin kita sa my structure, then structure type, XZ kita nga plain analysis, and 2B also, and then click OK. That's on, apply some loads. Ang pag-apply sa loads, the same man siya nung sa may beam, discussion ko sa beam. Huwag niya nodal. Okay? So try to apply the load sa given nga. Sa iba nagpatang sa load, kamu puminsar kung anong appropriate. Sa iba na naka-apply ng isang loads, analyze and then check for the results. Okay, so paki-analyze and then check the results kung as expected. And check ang reactions. So, tapos ang white flange. Section. Kumusta ang results? Tapos, first vertical, try to display ang ano, display the axial diagram. Saktuhan ang member forces sa kada member. Ang class ng images ng next move sa let's say
Siguro na yung question mo.
tatlo ang axial. Verify ang axial wala. One yellow, lowercase. I'll try light blue. Tapos, $50, $60, $120. Highlight. Nodal loads. At negative 60. Make sure wala error. And then, results, forces, or reaction sign. Thrust load, Fx, front. Okay. So these are my horizontal reactions. Vertical reactions. May perpendicular. Checking. Manual check. Summation for vertical, we have 180 plus 60. For downward applied load, reaction is 180 plus 60. Ang location, 60 times 10 plus 3.5 plus 120 times 5 minus 60 times 5 minus 50 times 60. So, okay ang reactions. Next naman, forces. Okay. Now, since I'm dealing here with the thrust, click to trace the forces, then thrust forces. Contour values. Output will be all. Then click apply. Wala ko result. Kung wala ko di result, base nga ang member ko is ay beam type element. Kato ko sa beam moment forces. That's on axial Fx. Click all. Click apply. Or ano lang, absolute max. Apply. So these are my loads, no, on each, or forces on each member. So negative is let's click this one. Negative for compression, positive for tension. Verify this. This is problem 4.2. 62.5 compression CAC. Compression AC is compression 62.5. So negative is for compression, positive for tension. Okay? So for this analysis, nag-match ng nag-match ang results rather sa manual and then ang software na calculation. Okay? So this is for actual, this is for shear, 0 siya. And then for moment, pick up that. For moment, may ara siya ng gamay na value. Okay. Now, kay na to, sa may display for thrust forces, wala siya nag-appear. Meaning that the elements are considered to be a beam type. So how about we change this one into a thrust type element? So highlight na. Go to node element, the zone, change parameters. Click element type from general beam to thrust. Click apply. Yung mga warnings, kita nila. Ano yung warning? So for the warning, loads and boundary conditions assigned to the corresponding element will be deleted. So guan niya for truss, you can only assign loads sa truss on its ends. If you assign load na uniform, same as with that of beam, madelete siya if you change to truss. Okay? But how about ang results? May difference ay na. So perform analysis, wala sa error. Makato ako sa results, forces, or reactions. Reactions, Fx, same, Fc, same man. How about for beam moment forces? Fx, wala na siya sa ang result kay truss element na siya. So we'll go to forces, truss forces, all, click apply. Let's just have it na max. So actual na result, same man siya. To know what are the tension forces, click tension, click apply. Already lang tension. So positive is tension, negative is compression. Okay? Okay. Let's continue now with the design. So here we are dealing with a steel na material, like steel section. So kanto ko sa design. Under sa my steel design dire, drop down, click design code, change ko siya sa NSTP, sa CV 2015 LRFT. Wala ko sang bin the column, so there's no, or rather I don't have any member to check for deflections. This one for earthquake siya, just have it as is no kay hindi mo man siya ma-check. Okay, and then just click OK. The zone strength reduction factors, update by code, then click OK. modify steel material. No, if user defined siya, then if you want to change, no, ang FY, so pwede ka di ka na tapos ikaw ang specify mismo. But in this case, hindi lang tawag mo. So as is lang siya. It goes. For the serviceability, as mentioned kay Nano, fields in shuttle column. So class mo rin siya. So lahat ka serviceability. Now before we go to the design, check ka lang din kung itsura na for the deformation. So dapat the results, deformation, deform contour. Let's have it na resultant, no, of X and Z. Click mo tayo ng deform, then click on that. We'll change ang unit to mm. Samo ni ang joint na translational deformation. Okay? Mga 5 mm, 4 mm naman. Nagamay siya. And we can now proceed to the design. So for the case of steel design, kuha niya kung dito naman ang section. Ang ginaobra diri is to check if the specified member or section is sufficient, no, for the given loads and the resulting stresses. So kuha niya mas steel code check ita. Sorry, wala na photo combination. Results a 9, then click load combination. Under steel design, auto generate. We'll have it as is. Wala lang kita reduction for live load. Wala lang kita earthquake. So, mo lang din na siya ang aton nga loads. And then load combination. Click OK. Isa lang ako ng load. Hindi na gusto. Ngayon. Sige lang. Okay, madugang kita sa another load case, no, which is self-weight, which is dead load case. So, load, static load case, ini dead, for example. Tapos, dead load. And click add. Okay. So, to specify the self-weight, kato kita dire sa load, then self-weight. Load case will be dead. And then, dire, will specify ang direction sa dead load or sa self-weight, which is gravity, so negative Z. Then click add. And then, okay na siya. we can now perform ang analysis. Wala sang warning and errors. Then we'll check ang loan combination if we can generate. Okay. Mayroon na siya. Wala siya sang 1.6L lang. Pero may 1.4D. Gusto niya complete. So may ara nakita nga loan combination. Then we can proceed to design, still design, then still code check. Okay. Per property, this yields the most critical. Tanawon ang result of the design. Slenderness ratio for tension, wala siya nag-comply. Then the actual load greater siya sa capacity. And then combined flexure, anyway wala man siya flexure. The actual load to actual capacity ang wala nag-fail. So meaning for the current section, hindi niya kaya ang given na loads. demand to capacity ratios for those members na pasar ang design. So, ang nakapasar lang dire are your member 2, so sa may design, ang nakapasar lang are members 2 and 5. So only these two members. So kung i-view mo ang PCR, so view by member, select all, then ratio, combine, option, let's say line, show graph, meaning PCR, member 2 and 5. I think the vertical part better represents the data. Array. So sa mga members na nakapasar, ang for the same section, mga arat sa 31% of the total strength mo ang nagamit ng maximum. Okay? May question today? So meaning, ang ibang ng members na wala nakapasar, we need to choose another section. However, for the case of steel design, under steel design, we have here steel optimal design. So click mo na siya. Select all. Design and analysis. Draft report. So, repeat lang ang process. Select. Then, check. Number of rotations. for members na wala nakapasa. So to apply, buwan niya diri sa may design criteria, database mo will be the same, no? Pero ang value dire change to 0 so that ang program ang mag-choose sa optimal na section. So select all and then design analysis. So buwan niya for the members na wala nakapasa kay na, we have HP 250 by 62. So close. Kung kadto ko sa works. Buwan niya gi-change naman ang members na kayo ng nakapasar. So if we go to steel design, then steel code design, per member, expand, then click OK. Meaning tanan nga members pasado na. Kung click NG ang mga wala nakapasar. Meaning tanan nakapasar. Then you can view kung ano ka efficient ang gin-suggest nga section against the loads. So buwan niya katulad sa view result ratio. Then sort by member, select all. Code checking, all ratio will be combined, especially for actual cut flexure. Although wala man siya flexure kay trust. Then show graph result. Close ko lang. Okay. So if you use ang design against, gamit mo ang design for the most critical section o two members ng critical, tanawin mo di wala kita take advantage ang amuni nga section for member number 5, 2, and 3. Okay? Dason mga close to 50% ang na-utilize for member 1 and 6. And of course, ang fully utilized guild and most critical na member is member number 4 with the VCR closest to 1. Okay? So later on sa mga design nyo, no, if you apply, let's say, in the case of reinforced concrete beams, isa lang ka section ng gin-ubra nyo, pina-apply nyo sa tanan, then di mo balaan nga, ay, pwede po kung reduce ang reinforcement sa mga member while retaining ang size of the beam. Okay. For this case, no, even though hindi siya efficient for 3 of the members, kaso nga lang, kung i-change man ang na-assign na section, dira ka naman, for example, magka-problem sa procurement and then installation. Kung different na section ang i-specify mo, you need to make sure and to check nga ang tsakto na section sa tsakto man na location. So sa procurement, duwa naman ka section ang need mo i-purchase instead of 1. So mo naman siya. Fabrication also, no? Let's say for this section you have a depth of 250. So sa isa to kay na 100 nakapasar. So paano siya karon i-lapping or i-connect ang 100 yung depth sa 250? ng isa ka case na problem. Kung wala ka problema, naka-flash ka na ng member, so same section kayo. Unless na madugang ka sa thickness. Thickness ng smaller member, gano'n sa John, para mga takot. And then another thing is aesthetics. Kung duwa di ka member gamay, duwa niya aesthetically, not symmetrical, not uniform. So may effect siya. Okay? Kung trust ka wizard, if we do ang trust na wizard, pilita lang kita na. So base structure, trust, let's say, namuni nga type ng members, namuni siya nga direction, o pwede mo naman. Tapos namin ito. Number of panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Length, on one side, let's say 6,000 mm. Change siya ng 1 meter, para mag-meter. Height, 2.4 meters. So makita tayo ang show dimensions. Kung symmetrical then you will have this view. So, edit. Kung gusto mo nga may vertical member, insert verticals. Okay. Then, diri maka-specify ka sa material properties ka section. Kung naka-check si apply the same material to all members, then for the top, or rather for the chords, top and bottom, magawa niya same section, same material. Okay. So kung duwa yung materials, 1 and 2, specify mo dili ang material number 2 if different. Same as with the section. So dili sa section, you have a section number and then the section shape. A section number and section shape. Sa vertical, you can assign a different section but the same material. Same as with the diagonal. Kung uncheck mo siya, then you can specify different sections and different materials for each member. For this case, as is done. Insert 000, alpha 0, beta 0, pin and release, bilang pag-assign. Now, for this kind of truss, again, ang uniform load mo, pwede ka lang ka-apply is pin type ang inyong mga element. Okay, so buwa niya, uniform load, typically ga-apply na siya sa top and bottom chords. So need mo nga ang top mo is pin type as well as your bottom. But if you want to have ang members to just carry actual loads, i-release mo karon ang moment resistance so that it will change from a fixed or my rigidity to a zero, wherein na pin siya ng connection. Okay. So for now, we'll just have it as is, hindi na pag-release. Then click OK. So check yung local axis. Y is, in this case, strong bending direction. X is along the length of the material. Okay. if you want to check ang type of member, go to element, then element type member, name, sorry, element type, click OK. So, hindi makita na pili siya, trust siya. And then, apply ang inyong supports, then apply yung load. Either nodal or uniform. On your top port, brown na siya kay pin type. Okay? So that's it for trust. Please prepare next meeting for another seat work sa aming topic. And then after seat works, first two seat works, mag-quiz naman kita sa team. Next ang trust. Wala na question, pwede nakalakad. Kaya tayo. Kasi may klase ka. Close lang ang PC.